First of all, do some introduction for GVD MVR product. We have 4 different modes. First one is configuration mode, and you're looking at the display mode, and alarm mode and a log search mode. Start with the this top left corner is showing some system information. It will show CPU usage, memory usage, network usage, and your system day and time, and the current user information. And also in this area you can see a camera tree, some hardware monitor function, and also a map tree. And in the bottom area, this is we call a spooler area, where you can put the temporary export video in this area. On the top right corner, this area, you have all the patterns, including system-defined patterns. User can choose whatever pattern they like, and you can also save your own pattern to quickly call up later. And in this area, you have the speed control on the video display speed. I will cover that later. First of all, I want to introduce some GVD unique feature on the live video operation. First of all, as I mentioned, you can save your own patterns. So you pick the pattern you want, you can save it, and you can pick another pattern. For example, drag and drop the camera you want. And you can even mix it up with the mix together with the map, together with the video. You can save this as another patterns. After you save the pattern, a few user pattern, you can run a tool. By running the tool, you can go pattern by pattern. You can adjust the sequence you want by drag and drop each individual patterns. And then you can run the tool, enable the tool, and the pattern will go one by one at your user-defined interval. You can run the pattern like this way, or you can even run it like traditional CCTV style without any tree or any operation. So it's like how traditional CCTV works. I want to show you some very good performance PTZ operation in GVD and VR. By using a PTZ camera, you can enable the PTZ mode and quickly move around the PTZ camera in the scene. The longer the line means the camera will move faster, and the shorter the line will move slower per your direction. So it's very fast performance of PTZ control, and you can also define your own preset point to quickly jump your preset to the your preset point. Okay. One unique feature I mentioned in GVD integration was the I want to focus is the ROI features. What we mean by ROI is region of interest. It's more like a zooming window in the region of interest. For example, in a big megapixel video, for example, this one is like a 3 megapixel camera. You can zoom in to your interest area, create a zooming window, and you can create multiple of this zooming window if you want. So you can, with a big 3 megapixel camera, you can look at very detail on each individual zooming windows, and there's no limit for this zooming, how many zooming window you can create. Okay, so all these zooming window you can create and just focus and zoom in on your dedicated area, and you can also save it as a new pattern. So you can quickly call up this ROI zooming window anytime. And also with this zooming window, we also have a good feature we call E-PTZ. That means you can operate each ROI window just like a traditional PTZ camera. For example, you can move this zooming window around. Imagine you're using a PTZ camera. You can move this around and show the detail. You can zoom in and zoom out to get the detail of each pictures. So that's what we call ROI feature in E-PTZ. So that's the live video function we designed for a good megapixel cameras. I also want to show you additional features that GVD create to support a megapixel camera. One example is we call subchannels. When you look at a camera like Ericom Vision, for example, you'll be able to create 2 additional subchannels. The benefit for creating subchannel is you can have a different codec for each subchannel or each channel. You can create different bit rate, you can create different frame rate, and even different recording schedule for each channel. And the good thing is you can pick anywhere you want in these main pictures. You can pick, we call a video cropping. It's probably take a while to show up. It's called a video cropping. You can pick anywhere in the video to display, to pick your focus area. So unlike the, which I didn't show up, unlike the ROI windows, this subchannel is actually a separate stream from the camera. So when you define a subchannel area, the MVR actually sends a command to the camera to request an additional stream. And this additional stream will use the parameter you set for each subchannels. And the benefit for using GVD is we only count 3 channels as 1 license. And you have flexibility to use these 3 channels. 1 camera with 3 channels, just like the 3 cameras. And this subchannel will be able to give you flexibility on the bandwidth usage and also in recording usage. So you don't need to record high frame rate on the whole 3 megapixel video. You'll be able to record just high frame rate on the concentrate area and use low frame rate on the main video area. That will give you a saving on the storage space. Another feature we create for some camera is just one example is we call a dual codec control. Let me give you an example. For example, in these ASIS cameras, it supports dual codec. GVD always supports whatever codec camera supports. So in this case, this ASIS support MPEG-4 and JPEG. So user could choose to have a recording on JPEG or MPEG-4. It's up to them, and they could choose which one they want to display. The benefit compared to GVD with others is, even though this is a camera feature, but GVD and VR give you the benefit to stream both codec at the same time. Let's show you an example. For example, if we look at say a dual codec camera, if you're showing a dual codec camera, you can be able to pick which codec you want to show. By default, it will show the best video quality, and you can which is MJPEG. You can quickly switch to your MPEG-4 online anytime. So you'll be able to select the codec you want from a local station or from a remote station at will. And you can even save your codec selection as a pattern to quickly call up to the right codec configuration you want for each cameras. Also, another point, a very nice feature from a GVD software is